What is a functional group? An atom or group of atoms which decide all the properties of a molecule is called a functional group. There are two types of functional groups. One is principal functional groups, another one is secondary functional groups. Priority is always given to principal functional groups. What are principal functional groups? The first one is COOH. It is also represented like this. It is called carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. So what is the secondary suffix given to carboxylic acid? It is a oic acid. Oic acid. Where this oic acid is to be added? All organic compounds are supposed to derive from alkanes. You know the spelling of alkane, A-L-K-A-N-E. Remove E and write oic acid. Now it is alkanoic acid. Look at this example, CH3COOH. It is commonly known as acetic acid. What is its IUPAC name? There are two carbons. So write the name of alkane with the two carbons, that is ethane. Ethane. Now replace this E by oic acid. So this is ethanoic acid. One more example, HCOOH. It is commonly known as formic acid. Its IUPAC name is methane. In place of E, write oic acid, and its name is methanoic acid. Likewise, there are three carbons and COH, propanoic acid, butanoic acid, like that. And the second priority is given to CHO. It is called aldehyde. It is also represented like this, C double bond O H. The secondary suffix given to aldehyde is Al. And this Al is written along alkanol. In place of E, A is written, alkanol. Aldehydes are known as alkanols. Example, HCHO, commonly known as formaldehyde, and in IUPAC it is called methanol. Methanol. Because there is only one carbon, it is a methane. E is replaced by Al, methanol. CH3CHO, generally known as acetaldehyde. In IUPAC system, it is called ethanol. Ethanol. If three carbons and one is a aldehyde group, propanol, butanol, like that. The most important point is carboxylic acid and aldehyde are terminal functional groups. Means these two groups are present at the end of chain. End of chain. Third one, C double bond O. This is called ketone, third priority. The secondary suffix for ketone is one, O-N-E. Alkane, write O-N-E in place of E, alkanone. This ketone, commonly known as acetone. There are three carbons. Write the alkane name propane. and write ONA in place of E. Now its name is propanone. Suppose the C double bond O is present in 5 carbon chain, then you have to give the numbering. Numbering may be given from left to right or right to left such that C double bond O should get the least number. There are 5 carbons called pentane. E is replaced by ONA, pentanone. C double bond O is present on second carbon. It is called pentanone 2. Observe one more example. CH3, CH2, CO, CH2, CH3. Give numbering. Now C double bond is present on third carbon. So it is a pentanone 3 or 3 pentanone. Both are correct. Pentanone 3 or 3 pentanone. The third priority. And fourth priority of principal functional group is OH. It is called alcohol. The secondary suffix for alcohol is OL. OL. Alkane is replaced by OL. The IUPAC generic name for alcohol is alkanol. Alkanol. Now CH3, CH2OH. It is commonly known as ethyl alcohol and its IUPAC name is ethanol. Ethanol. CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Commonly known as N-propyl alcohol and its IUPAC name is 1-propanol. 1, 2, 3. It is called 1-propanol. If this OH group is present on second carbon, its common name is isopropyl alcohol and its IUPAC name is 2-propanol. For the sake of convenience, I am giving you 2 more functional groups in which they are placed at 5th and 6th orders. The 5th one is carbon-carbon double bond, alkene. Alkene. And 6th one, carbon-carbon triple bond, and it is alkyne. The first priority is always given to carboxylic acid. If it is not there, then aldehyde, next ketone, after that alcohol, alkene and alkyne. So these all include principal functional groups. Priority is always given in that order: carboxylic acid, aldehyde, ketone, alcohol, alkene and alkyne. So what are secondary functional groups? The secondary functional groups are like NH2, which is called amine, nitro, halo, cyano, etc. and etc. No priority is given to secondary functional groups. But while writing the IUPAC name, they are written in order of alphabets. We should follow alphabetical order. For example, amine and chloro both are there. First you have to write amine and then chloro. Amine, bromo, chloro are there. Write amine and then bromo, after that chloro. NH2 is there, it is called amine. X is called halo. Halo means fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo. X may be fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo. NO2 is there, nitro. Cn is there, cyano. Similarly, Nc, isocyano, like that. These are always written in order of alphabets. Alphabetical order follow. You should follow alphabetical order. Secondary functional groups more than one. Suppose there are 2 chlorines are there. You should use the prefix di, dichloro. 3 bromines are there, tribromo. Priority is always given to principal functional groups. These are written only in alphabetical order. Let us consider one example: CH3, CHCl, CHBr, COOH. COOH is a principal functional group. We should start numbering from this side only. Now we have substituents, 2 secondary functional group substituents, Br and Cl. Br is bromo and Cl, chloro. So according to alphabetical order, 2 bromo, 3 chloro, and there are 4 carbons. The root word is a butane, but. And since it is COOH, you should write oic acid. It is 2 bromo, 3 chloro, butanoic acid. One more example. So let us consider this example: CHO, CHBr, CHNH2, CClCl, CH3. CHO is a principal functional group, so you should start numbering from this side. Now what are the substituents present on main chain? Bromo, amine, chloro. So in alphabetical order, A comes first, so write 3 amine, 2 bromo, 4,4 dichloro, and 5 carbons are there, pentane. CHO is a principal functional group, so write pentanol. 3 amino, 2 bromo, or 3 amine, 2 bromo, 4,4 dichloro, pentanol.